Good morning, children. This is class 8 science. We are doing chapter number 7, the cell. We are on page number 109. Page number 109, topic 7.4.3, cell sizes. So, children, cell sizes. Cell size varies. The cell size can be small as micrometer. It can be in micrometer, right? In microns, or it can be as large as in few centimeters, right? So micrometer is the smallest size, and centimeter is the large size found in cells. Now, children, most of the cells, they are microscopic in nature. Microscopic means you can see them under microscope. आप microscope के नीचे ही उसे देख पाएंगे. You cannot see with unaided eye. Unaided eye means with your naked eye. आपको telescope लगाना ही पड़ेगा. Without telescope, you cannot view the cells as they are mostly microscopic in size. Right, children? Now, in our body, if we talk about human body, then in human body, the blood cells, right, the RBCs, they are the smallest. And you remember, their shape was disc shape. जैसे हम घर पे प्लेट में खाना खाते हैं ना, so that is that disc shape. Why? Because disc, it has more area, and more area, so it can absorb more oxygen. And next is longest is nerve cells. Nerve cells, we know, children, they carry signal from one part of the body to the other part, right? For example, if you touch the hot vessel, then immediately the nerve cells from your hand, it will pass on the signal to the brain, right? And what is it, their shape? Their shape is long. So they are the longest cell in human body, right? If we talk about plants, children, so plants may be algae, right? Algae, it has very large cells. Unicellular, uni means one, means this, that is Acetabularia. Acetabularia is an algae which has only one cell, but this cell is very large. It is about 10 centimeter in length. 10 centimeter in length. आपकी जो छोटी scale होती है ना बेटा, that is of 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So here you can see the picture. This is of Acetabularia. This is a unicellular algae. इसमें एक ही cell होता है, and that cell is very large. What is the length? 10 centimeter in length. Right, beta? Chalo. Let's see few more facts which are on the same page. Over here, you can see the key fact. The largest cell, children, the largest cell is found in ostrich. An ostrich egg measuring 170 mm into 130 mm is the largest cell. It is about 25,000 times bigger than the red blood cell. Red blood cell is the smallest cell in human body. Usko 25,000 times multiply karoge, then you will get the ostrich eggs cell size. And children, what about the smallest cell? So smallest cell is found in a bacteria, bacterium, that is bacterium, right? What is its name? Mycoplasma, with a diameter of 0.0001, that to millimeter. Millimeter में 3 zeros और लग जाएंगे इसके साथ, means 4 zeros, 3 zeros हैं, 3 zeros और, that is 0.601 meter. इतना small होता है. किसका बेटा? Mycoplasma. Right? So, this is there. Now, let's turn the page. So, children, your next topic is 7.5, cell structure and function. Now, we are going to see what does cell consist of. Cell किस किस चीजों से बना होता है, उसमें क्या क्या होता है, and then we will see their function, right? Now here we will say that, okay, all the cells, plant and animal cells, they consist of three parts. First is cell membrane, second is cytoplasm, and third is nucleus. And then we will see what are their function. ये काम क्या करेंगे, right? We are going to talk about that. Now, the first thing is cell membrane. Membrane means beta, membrane is पर्दा. हमारे घर पे पर्दे लगे होते हैं ना, right? So they are what? They are membrane, right? We have ear membrane. कानों में पर्दा होता है, that is called ear membrane. So similarly, children, this is a cell membrane. It is a cell. It is a part of cell. वो क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? उसकी वजह से शेप आता है सेल में. सेल का शेप कैसा है? वो डिस्क शेप है कि वो एग शेप है कि स्पिंडल शेप है कि राउंड शेप है या वो किडनी शेप है या वो लॉन्ग एंड रेक्टेंगुलर है. तो द शेप ऑफ द सेल, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन whom? It depends upon the cell membrane. सेल मेम्ब्रेन की वजह से सेल का शेप डिसाइड होता है. Moreover, as I told you, it is the parda, the outer side, outer layer. So it is the member of the cell which will allow the entry and the exit, which will allow the entry and the exit of the material from the cell outside it, yeah, from outside to the cell. So this cell membrane, it is present in the outer part, right? So let's continue. Next is cytoplasm and nucleus. So children, cytoplasm and nucleus, they are present inside the cell membrane. सबसे पहले बाहर होगी cell membrane, right? Cell membrane, और cell membrane के अंदर होगा cytoplasm, और cytoplasm के अंदर होगा nucleus. I will show you in the diagram. Okay. Okay. Let's move little further. Okay, children. Underline this, children. The cytoplasm and the nucleus, they are present within the cell and are also called the plasma membrane. Right? Next is protoplasm. So protoplasm is the first liquid. Plasma is liquid. Proto means first. So the living substance of cell is known as protoplasm. It includes cytoplasm and nucleus. So beta, nucleus में जो cytoplasm और nucleus होता है, they are the living, right? They are the living part of the cell. Okay, now if you see the structure, बेटा structure देखो. सबसे पहले देखो cell membrane. तो देखो cell membrane बेटा बाहर की तरफ है, इसमें भी और इसमें भी. तो cell membrane क्या कर रहा है? वो उसको पूरा surround कर रहा है. And because of cell membrane shape आ रही है ना बेटा उसकी, तो cell membrane is doing what? It is providing the shape to the cell. Moreover, as it is present on the outer side, it will act like a gate. That is, it will see the entry and exit. It is going to monitor. जैसे आपका monitor होता है क्लास में, वो बोलेगा कि आपको मतलब आप उससे permission लोगे, shall I go to drink water? तो वो permit करेगा आपको कि जाना है या नहीं जाना है. Similarly बेटा यहाँ पे भी cell membrane, it is going to monitor the entry and exit of the material through the cell. Cell में से material बाहर कौन जाएगा या अंदर आएगा या नहीं आएगा, that is monitored by beta cell membrane. Okay, so cell membrane function, two functions. First, it provides shape to the cell. Second, it monitors the entry and exit of the materials through the cell. Right beta? Animal cell and plant cell. Now children, in animal cell and in plant cell, if you see which things are in common, कॉमन चीजें देखते हैं पहले बेटा. सी सेल मेम्ब्रेन दोनों में है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इट इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ सेल, दोनों में है, राइट? ओके. साइटोप्लाज्म, साइटोप्लाज्म ये पूरा जो आपका जो लिक्विड है जहां पे केमिकल रिएक्शंस वगैरह टेक प्लेस करेंगी, दे आर योर साइटोप्लाज्म. हियर आल्सो द ग्रीन कलर लिक्विड, साइटोप्लाज्म, राइट? देन यू आर हैविंग द न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? न्यूक्लियस दोनों में है. Now children, if you see this thing, that is cell wall. Cell wall is the structure which is present only in plant cell, and this cell wall, it is non living. ये non substance होता है. This is a non living substance. राइट बेटा, इसका काम क्या होता है? इसका काम सिर्फ इतना है कि ये प्रोटेक्शन करेगा, ताकि अगर प्लांट पे हम हिट करते हैं तो जो सेल वॉल होती है ना बेटा, वो रिजिड होती है और वो नॉन लिविंग होती है. तो वो क्या करेगी? प्लांट के अंदर के जो पार्ट्स हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करेगी. Plus one more thing, because of cell wall also, it will provide the shape and support to the cell. वो अंदर के जो सेल पार्ट्स है ना बेटा, उसको शेप देंगी प्लस उसे सपोर्ट करेंगी. तो ये सिर्फ प्लांट्स में होती है सेल वॉल. So cell wall, it is present only in plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. Right बेटा? It is rigid, बहुत hard होती है, plus non-living होती है. ठीक है, लिविंग नहीं होती, नॉन लिविंग होती है. काम क्या है बेटा इसका? टू प्रोटेक्ट, दैट इज प्रोटेक्शन. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, सपोर्ट एंड शेप एंड सपोर्ट टू द सेल. राइट बेटा? चलो, नेक्स्ट ईयर यू हैव बीन गिवन एन एक्टिविटी. This activity grade 9th did recently, right? What is to be done in this activity? You have to take an onion. आप onion को peel करोगे, and once you peel the onion children, if you see the inner side of the peel, there is a transparent membrane, transparent layer से एक निकलेगी अंदर से. आज करके देखना, ऑनियन मम्मा ने जब पील करके रखा होगा ना, देखना ऑनियन का जो छिलका होता है उसके साथ में एक बहुत पतली सी ट्रांसपेरेंट, वेरी थिन ट्रांसपेरेंट मेम्ब्रेन होती है. Right, that membrane they are taking, they are putting it on a slide. Slide क्या होता है? एक ग्लास होता है, कांच रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का, उसके ऊपर उन्होंने क्या रख दी? वो ऑनियन को पील किया, एंड दे प्लेस दैट ट्रांसपेरेंट मेम्ब्रेन ऑन दी स्लाइड. स्लाइड इज रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास का पीस, उसके ऊपर रख दिया. राइट, उसमें थोड़ा सा वाटर डाला और उसमें आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन डाला. आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन क्यों डाला? आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन इसलिए डाला because iodine solution, it has color, and the membrane which we had removed from the onion peel, that is transparent. तो उसको थोड़ा कलर दे देंगे तो माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे अच्छा दिखेगा कि उसमें है क्या. Alright, now what you are going to do? You are going to observe it under microscope, and once you observe it under microscope, what are you going to see? For that we need to switch to the next page. Okay, so this is the structure in onion peel which is seen through the microscope. Right, beta? So what did you do? You have cut a small piece of onion, you peeled the onion, and with the help of some forceps या कोई चिमटा वगैरह लेके, you are peeling out the transparent membrane of the onion. That you are going to place it in water, and then you're going to put it on the slide, and on the slide you will add few drops of iodine, yeah, saffron. Right, that is just to add the color so that the cells inside the onion peel, they become visible, and then you are going to place it under microscope, and this is the structure which you can see in the microscope. Now here what you will see, here you can see the round things, right? That round things are what? They are the nucleus, right? You can see the nucleus, right? Nucleus, it is stained pale yellow by iodine. जो nucleus होगा वो yellowish बन जाता है as you put iodine, right? Next is, if you focus your microscope more, अगर आप इसका focus increase करते हो, then as you know onion is a plant, so you can see the cell wall also in it. And what else is visible? Cytoplasm, the central vacuoles. बेटा vacuoles क्या होते हैं? Vacuoles बड़े बड़े holes होते हैं, right? Vacuoles क्या होते हैं? They are big holes, large vacuoles, empty, right? That we will do further. So this is your cells in onion peel, right? Now children, next activity they have shown you to study the animal cell using cheek cells. So children, this experiment also you can do. What you need to do is you need to scrap the inner side of your cheek. चीक के अंदर की जो स्किन होती है ना बेटा, उसको आपको स्टैप्यूला, स्टैप्यूला को आप जानते होंगे, स्टैप्यूला इज अ डिवाइस, इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो डॉक्टर्स यूज करते हैं जब आप डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते हो। तो उससे क्या करना है, आपकी जो चीक की अंदर की जो स्किन है ना, उससे स्कैपुला से आपको उसको थोड़ा सा स्क्रैप करना है। तो जैसे ही आप स्क्रैप करोगे ना बेटा, तो आप देखोगे कि वो जो स्पून सा है, जो स्पैटुला है, उस पे थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे अंदर की चीक की स्किन से थोड़ी सी निकली होती है। बहुत जोर से नहीं करना है, लाइटली करोगे तब भी निकल जाता है, राइट? उस सेल्स को, उस जो चीक के अंदर से जो निकला है, उसके ऊपर आप क्या करोगे, यू विल प्लेस सम वाटर, and then after putting some water you will put some iodine or methylene blue, iodine डाल दोगे वापस से, or methylene blue, and then you are going to cover it with a cover slip. Cover slip is what? Cover slip is a plastic layer which is put on that, right? And then you are going to observe it under microscope. So children, when you observe it under microscope, this is what is visible, right? These are your cheek cells, and in the cheek cells you can see one prominent here, the purple color dot, that is your nucleus, right? Nucleus is the main part of the cell which is going to control all the functions that are taking place inside the cell. So हमारा body किससे बना होता है? Cell. But main, who is the boss there? Nucleus. Nucleus is the boss. Nucleus controls all the functions that are taking place inside the cell. और जैसे आपने देखा होगा, from parents to children, genetic DNA and that all is passed off. ठीक है, आप अपने पेरेंट्स जैसे लगते हो, आप अपनी मम्मा जैसे लगते हो, पापा जैसे लगते हो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जैसे लगते हो, सम ऑफ योर बिहेवियर्स आर लाइक देम, they resemble them, right? वो कहाँ से आ जाता है? It is your DNA, और DNA is in nucleus. So nucleus contains the genetic material, and this genetic material, it is going to control all the functions that are taking place in the cell, right बेटा? अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। अभी तक आपको सिर्फ इतना समझ में आना चाहिए that cell is made up of cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Second thing, cell wall is present in plant cell only and it is absent in animal cell. बस आपको इतना पता होना चाहिए, और आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि न्यूक्लियस जो है that contains genetic material and it is going to control all the functions which are taking place in the cell. ठीक है, इतना ही समझना है अभी तक, और कुछ नहीं. Now we are going to do each and every structure in detail. Right? Now let's start with cell membrane. Today we will complete cell membrane and then we will continue in the next week, right? So let's do cell membrane. So as you all know, cell membrane, it is present in the outermost part of the cell. Cell membrane सबसे बाहर था, you remember? Right. Cell membrane बाहर है तो वो entry और exit भी देखेगा substance की, कि अंदर आने देना है या नहीं आने देना है, right? और प्लस आपको वो भी पता है कि जो cell membrane है, it is going to provide the shape, right? Shape भी वो देगा उसको, right? So that is it. Come on, let's read it. First, what is cell membrane? Underline this. Cell membrane is the thin outermost covering of a cell. सबसे बाहर वाली कवरिंग सेल की होती है सेल मेम्ब्रेन. इट इज अ पोरस मेम्ब्रेन. पोरस मतलब होल्स वाली होती है. जैसे आपने स्पंज देखा है, स्पंज में पोर्स होते हैं ना बहुत सारे. हाँ, सी हियर द मेम्ब्रेन हैविंग टाइनी होल्स इज नोन एज पोरस मेम्ब्रेन. जैसे स्पंज में छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं ना बेटा, सेम सेल मेम्ब्रेन हैज porous or tiny holes in it. Why? So that it can control the entry and the exit of the substances through the cell. Cell में आने देगा और cell से बाहर जाना है substances को. Then it is cell membrane which will permit it, which will monitor it, which will allow it. So it allows the movement of substance from both inward as well as outward. Inward मतलब सेल के अंदर आना और outward मतलब substance सेल से बाहर जा रहा है. तो who is controlling it? Cell membrane is controlling it, right? Good. Next, let's move further. Cell membrane, it separates cell from one another and also from the surrounding material. So children, cell membrane जो है वो एक सेल को दूसरे सेल से सेपरेट करता है. This is one cell. तो यहाँ पे इसकी cell membrane होगी and that cell membrane is this. फिर दूसरा सेल यहाँ पे होगा. Sorry, this is दूसरा सेल यहाँ पे है. तो इनको सेपरेट कौन कर रहा है? सेल मेम्ब्रेन की वजह से वो एक दूसरे के अंदर नहीं जा रहे हैं. तो जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है वो एक सेल को दूसरे सेल से सेपरेट कर रहा है. ठीक है बेटा? सो मींस सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज व्हाट? इट इज अ बाउंड्री. It is a boundary which separates cell from cell, one cell from another cell, as well as cell from the surrounding. में कुछ भी है, जैसे आपका घर, आपके घर की जो बाउंड्री है, that is separating your house from your neighbor's house, that is separating your house from the road, that is separating your house from the garden, right? So similarly here, the cell membrane, it separates one cell from another cell, it separates the cell from the surrounding medium, right beta? Up underline karo, this is very very important, that is cell membrane, it consists of, or it is made up of what? It is made up of proteins and lipids. These are the substances which do not dissolve in water. ये पानी में डिसॉल्व नहीं होते हैं. सो सेल मेम्ब्रेन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड लिपिड्स, राइट? दिस इज इट इन दिस. नाउ इन प्लांट सेल वी नो एक एडिशनल लेयर होती है. उस एडिशनल लेयर का नाम है, कवरिंग का नाम है सेल वॉल. सो द एडिशनल कवरिंग लेयर अराउंड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन, सेल मेम्ब्रेन से बाहर भी एक लेयर होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सेल wall, that is called the cell wall. Cell wall बहुत tight, rigid, non living होती है and it is made up of cellulose, and it is made up of cellulose, right? This is made up of proteins and lipids, that is cell membrane, and in plant cell, cell wall is made up of cellulose. What will it do? As it is outer, as it is non-living, तो protection करेगी plus shape देगी और support करेगी. So it is going to protect, give shape and support to the cell. Right, beta? So very very important topic. You need to read the cell membrane very very carefully. This is your homework for today. Plus, there are two diagrams given to you. That is a diagram of animal cell and plant cell, right? That also you have to prepare. Okay, so this is it for today's class, children, and prepare the diagram, read this topic properly